Over time, your PC accumulates cache, junk, and temporary files that can slow down its performance. Clearing these files not only frees up space, but also optimizes your system's speed and responsiveness. Here's a step-by-step guide to clean up your Windows 11 10 PC. 1. Clear temporary files. Using the Run command. Press 1+ or to open the Run dialog box. Type %temp% and press Enter. A folder containing temporary files will open. Select all files, Ctrl+A, and delete them, Shift+Delete for permanent removal. Using Settings. Go to Settings, System, Storage. Click Temporary Files and check the boxes for files you want to delete. Click Remove Files. 2. Clear System Cache. Delete System Temporary Files. Open Settings, System Storage Temporary Files. Select options like Windows Update Cleanup and Delivery Optimization files. Click Remove Files. Use Disk Cleanup. Search for Disk Cleanup in the Start menu. Select the drive you want to clean, usually C, and click OK. Check the types of files to delete and click OK. 3. Clear Browser Cache. Microsoft Edge. Open Edge, click on the 3 dots, Settings, Privacy, Search, and Services. Under Clear Browsing Data, click Choose what to clear. Select Cached Images and Files and click Clear Now. Google Chrome. Open Chrome, click the 3 dots, More Tools, Clear Browsing Data. Select Cached Images and Files, choose the time range, and click Clear Data. 4. Clear DNS Cache. Open the command prompt as an administrator. Type the following command and press Enter. Bash. Copy code. IP protocol configuration /flushtons. This clears the DNS cache and can improve internet browsing speed. 5. Remove junk files with storage sense. Go to Settings, System, Storage. Enable Storage Sense and configure it to automatically delete temporary files and recycle bin contents. Six. Use a third-party cleaner, optional. Applications like CCleaner or BleachBit can automate cache and junk file cleanup. Use them with caution and verify the files they suggest for deletion. 7. Uninstall unnecessary applications. Open Settings, Apps and Features. Review the list of installed programs and uninstall those you don't use. 8. Empty the recycle bin. Right-click on the recycle bin icon on your desktop. Select Empty Recycle Bin to permanently delete files. Tips to maintain a clean PC. Schedule Storage Sense to run automatically. Regularly update Windows to ensure optimal performance. Run a system scan using Windows Defender or a trusted antivirus program to remove unwanted malware or bloatware. By following these steps, you'll not only reclaim disk space, but also ensure your PC runs smoothly and efficiently. Regular cleanup can prolong your computer's lifespan and maintain its performance.